Shopify Empire Theme Customization tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Empire theme on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and scale online stores, in which it also provides a wide range of tools and features to help users design their website, manage inventory and process payments, and even track sales. And now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate, but just click the online store here to proceed, and click the themes option. And below to start looking for our theme of Empire, all you need to do is simply scroll down below here, and it will show you this visit theme store. By clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and from here you can simply scroll down until you find the Empire theme, or alternatively you can simply click the search bar on the top right corner, in which by simply clicking the search bar, you simply search the Empire theme. And upon clicking enter, you'll be able to be directed in here. So just simply click the try theme button. However, it says here that in order to publish this website or theme, you need to pay for it. But you can simply try it for free to trial by clicking this try theme button. And upon clicking on try theme, you'll be directed in here. And to start customizing the Empire theme, you simply scroll down right here, and it will show you this theme trial. So all you need to do to start customizing it is to click under this theme library, this customize button on the right side panel of it. By simply clicking this button, you'll automatically be directed on a page where you can start customizing this theme of Empire. And it will show you on the left side panel some of these editing tools that you can start navigating to customize this theme of Empire. All you need to do also to start, you can simply click some of the elements. For example, this header, you can click on it, or click the themes settings option on the left side panel. Maybe here this age gate, where you could also enable site-wide for the age verification, where you can enter the minimum age that can access your website. You'd also navigate here the performance of this, such as if you have minify scripts to increase the performance. Now under this color, from here you could also start changing in here the background color, the headings color, text, light text, links, and many more. And upon changing it, it will show you the real-time result of it. This is basically what it looks like. You could also change the color of the buttons, footer section, and many more. Moving on to this typography, you could also start changing the font color, font size, and even the headings, font in here, the uppercase, the letter spacing, and many more. So all you need to do is simply select here different kind of fonts and size depending on your preferences. And aside from that, if you scroll down right here, you could also navigate to change the button section headings. While under these animations, you could also reduce animations if you want to. Under layout, you can change here the site, width, height, and many more. But by clicking this product section, you can enable the sales badges to track the inventory and many more in here. And if you also scroll down, you can navigate to choose some of the product form or option style in here. We also have here this quantity, color swatches, and even these custom colors if you want to. And aside from that, under this product grid, you could also compare the product, show the product image, and many more. So you can basically navigate all of this section in order to start customizing your website using these editing tools that you can navigate on Shopify to start changing the Empire theme. You could also input your Facebook account in here, such as the link of your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and many more. And even navigate this favicon orders cart, advanced checkout, and many more. Now going back on the page, you could also customize it by simply clicking any kind of elements. For example, this is slide. By clicking on it, it will show you on the left side panel that you could also start customizing or entering here the image by clicking the select button, or you could also simply upload from your computer files by clicking the upload image. You'd also upload here for mobile image, and even navigate the subheading, change the text color if you want to. For example, I'm going to make it red, and even the background link if you also want to customize that one. While on the top panel or the heading section, by clicking on it, you can navigate here to upload the logo from your computer files in here. And aside from that, if you want to change, such as this page's catalog section or page, all you need to do is simply click on it, and it will show you in the left side panel some of the collection that you could also add, such as a section in here, a template, and even install an app that you prefer. We have here also announcement bar, utility bar, mega menu, and many more. So you can basically click the quick edit in order to start customizing the context, content, media files, and many more of these themes. And from here, you could also start clicking, for example, to add a section. Just click this plus button and click add section, where you can add here a blog post, collection list, featured product, banner, logo list, map, menu list, and many more. And to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. And you could also start publishing it, however, you need to have an upgrade account or to pay for it. But overall, that is just basically how you can customize the Shopify Empire theme in here. Thank you.